Hi, I'm Charles Robinson, Global Director of Training and Education with Colour Wow, and I'm really excited to be here today to talk to you about the brand new technology, Colour Wow Toning Foam in blue and purple. For decades, people have been relying on these purple and blue shampoos, and if you've used them, you'll know they're really messy. If you use them in your shower, they get all over your hands, they get all over your scalp, they stain your scalp, they get all over your towels, all over your bathroom, and they can actually give you a really uneven finish on your hair. We call those the dinosaurs. And now at Colour Wow, we've got a brand new major upgrade, which are our Colour Wow toning foams in blue and purple. So the purple will neutralize any yellow in your lighter hair, so blondes, gray, highlighted hair, and the blue will neutralize any orange in your darker hair. Now with these toning foams, it's not messy, you've got a clean scalp, you've got a clean bathroom. They really are a cleaner, friendlier, healthier way to tone your hair.